What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Ricer channel. My name is Patrick and today is a very special day. Today we're actually going to my homie's shop and we're getting my wheels installed. Finally. I picked up my wheels today. It took about a month and a half to get. I'd like to give a huge shout out to Teknotik. You guys don't know who Teknotik is. They're the biggest aftermarket store, shop for anything Honda or Acura. And specifically, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Erik over there for hooking the brother up with some great pricing on these wheels right behind me. You guys can see the box right there. It's a set of wheels from Cosmis Racing. I picked the wheels from Cosmis Racing because honestly, I really like the way they look. Also, one of my favorite YouTubers has them. You guys don't know, it's Adam LZ. He had a set of Cosmis Racing wheels on his S14, and they're sick. Funny story actually on these wheels. I don't know if these bad boys will clear my calipers. Hopefully they do fit. They're the right size. But I kind of blind purchased them. I haven't seen another Type R run these wheels, so I'm not sure if there's another Type R that has these wheels and it'll fit. But if not, then I might be the first person on the Type R that has these wheels. So maybe the only reason why no one has these wheels on the Type R is people think they're ugly as shit. But I like them, so... Oh shit, by the way, I'd like to give a huge thank you guys, all of you guys who pressed that subscribe button. We hit 100 subscribers today, and that's insane. Like, never in my wildest dreams I'd pick up a camera and start doing car shit, but also get to a point where it's 100 subscribers, 100 people are willing to watch you all the time you upload a video, and that's insane to me, man. And that's crazy, and I'd like to give a huge shout out to all of you who pressed that subscribe button. And you know what, from the bottom of my heart, you know, I really do appreciate you. If you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, that's all good. You're probably on the fence about me, but it's okay, you know. But yeah, thank you guys so much. And there's a lot of content coming, a lot of things coming up for the Ricer brand. And you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of these wheels in the comments down below. If you guys hate them, love them, that's sick. Hey, it's my car, so I can do whatever I want. But I hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you guys at my boy's shop. Let's go. Alright, so we're at my boy's shop, RMJ Motors. If you guys are in the Markham area or anywhere in Ontario and you need stuff done to your car aftermarket, his name is Ralph. He owns the place, so he will hook you up. And here is his sick ass Evo. Yeah, so Ralph's been doing my cars since I had my FRS, since I had my Mazda Speed. So he's been doing everything. Now he's doing my Type R. So hit my boy up if you need anything, if you guys are in the Markham area. But yeah, it's RMJ Motors. All right, that's my boy Ralph.
Hey, what's up?
All right, we're gonna get my wheels on now. These are the wheels. I actually really like them, but now we know they fit. So if anyone needs a wheel like this for Type R, they do fit. This is 18x9, so plus 33. New wheels ASAP, because if you look at my wheel, that's how bad my wheel was. All right, look at that fitment. All right.
They look shiny.
Wheels are on. They look good. They look good. I need to lower the car. So.
Let's do a test. Let's do a test.
Get the fuck out of here, bro. It'll be lowered next year. Because I don't have money right now. I'm broke. Yeah, bro, man. I don't have money.
Next year, bro, you might as well put on these wheels next year, yo.
Yo, the tires are done by then.
Yo, I don't have money. You guys need detail. If you guys need mobile detailing, he does it for free.
Oh, yeah.
Ah.
Just put a badge in how you put a 10 hard badge on this.
Ooh. Wow. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, that's Ralph. So make sure you guys go to him if you need anything. If you're in the Markham area, and this guy too.
Markham, Toronto, York.
Markham, Toronto, does everything aftermarket.
Ontario.
Does anything.
Stretch tires, anything.
Stretch. Lower.
Turn your BMW to an Acura.
Yep, there's everything here, bro. There's everything here. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Shout out to the homies. And guys, like the video, comment.
Don't forget to comment, like.
You can subscribe if you want to. I'm not forcing you guys. We got some big things coming for the brand. We just gotta work on some things.
Yeah, we're just sorting things out, you know.
Yeah, we got some things sorted out, but I think we have a video coming up in John's car.
Yes, sir. So we got some track days coming up soon, hopefully this summer.
Yes.
So
Yes.
stay tuned for that. Like he said, like, comment, subscribe.
You don't have to subscribe. He wants subscribes.
Spray wax, spray wax.
Guys, peace.
You know what?